Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So let me talk to you guys about the Holiday Helper. So the new consultants offer. So if you have been thinking about being a part of Epicure, your first question is probably, well, what kits do you have available? So I have been with Epicure now for almost a year. Yeah, so almost a year. And that was definitely my first question was, oh my God, show me your kits. That's the most exciting thing ever. Let me pick a kit, tell me how much it is, and just tell me all about the company. So the Holiday Helper collection is something new. So it became available from September the 16th until October the 31st. So there is still a month left. This is an amazing collection. When I started a year ago, I believe I paid about $250 for my kit. It did include a lot. In fact, it was pretty exciting. I remember the mailman coming and they had two huge boxes that said Epicure on them. And I'm like, oh my God, those are for me. I was so excited. My husband was like, what are those? I'm like, I joined Epicure. Hope that's okay with you, So it was exciting. But these are actually even better because you will only pay $175 and you will also get something free. So either this package or this package. I was trying to zoom in for you guys, but I guess I can't do that. If I can, I don't know how, so I apologize. But I'll leave the link for you guys on the bottom to my website to have a closer look at the package. In fact, I do have it in my Facebook group as well, so I will leave the link for you guys for that, and then just feel free to come on in and ask any questions that you like. So you will get either this or this for free. So there's a lot of stuff in here. It's amazing. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But that's just it. Like, it's this amazing. So if you're getting ready for the holidays, perfect timing, Thanksgiving, Christmas, the whole works. And even if you don't want everything for yourself, which you probably will, but even if you don't, then you can sell it or you can give it as a gift for somebody else. I know for my kit, I kept a little more than half for myself. And then the things that I didn't necessarily need, I just gave them as a gift. Because pretty much everybody has to cook, right? Like, you all cook, you all eat. So my sister at the time was moving into her new apartment, so it was perfect. So I gave her like this package of like Epicure excitement. So how awesome was that? I think that's pretty exciting stuff. So I'm sure if you don't want everything, but you probably will, there is somebody else that you can give it to, right? And it is a lot more than $175 worth of stuff. Plus, you get $55 worth of stuff for free, okay? And if you guys wanted, here, I'll stop sharing my screen. You guys can check out all the stuff that Epicure does offer. I will give you guys my website. It is under my maiden name, so andreaturowski.epicure.com. Where's my screen? I just wanted to show you guys kind of the website here. So feel free to look around and see all the amazing things that Epicure offers. So you can go under shop and literally look at everything, or shop the catalog under shop as well, I believe. Click catalog, and then you can just look through the entire catalog. In fact, I did do a video on the catalog a couple weeks ago, so feel free to look at that too if you like. But there's tons of things to offer. You can learn about the company here by clicking about, and you can just truly learn how amazing Epicure is. It's just helping people eat healthier one step at a time and helping people make money from that. So it's amazing. I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one.